5 best blenders. The item number 5 is 850 watts German motor technology electric hand blender. Brand name GRL. Certification LFGB, EMC, SASO, EMF, RoHS, GS, CSA, ETL, CBO, Function mixing, milk tea and jam, juice extractor, pottage, egg stirring, pure fragrance, rice paste, jam, fruit juice. The item number 4 is Tintin Life Portable Electric Juicer Blender. Brand name Tintin Life. Certifications. Number of speed settings: 1. Function milkshake, jam, juice extractor, vegetable cutting, mixing, fruit juice, stirring, pure fragrance, mung bean paste, milk tea and jam, bean product, rice paste, ice crushing, dry grinding. The item number 3 is Skyman Manual Food Processor Chopper Blender. 100% brand new and high quality. Powerful handheld chopper for herbs/vegetables/food. Prepare sauces, purees, fruit butter and even baby food at home with this versatile product. 5 sharp blades, ideal for cutting a variety of vegetables such as onion, garlic, basil, coriander and dill. The item number 2 is 380 ml USB rechargeable blender mixer. 100% brand new and high quality. Small in size, portable and multi-use, can use as common cup and juice blender, can mix kinds of fruit and vegetables. Healthy and environmentally friendly, use new and non-toxic PP, PC material. Safety, double safety protection switch, and discharge protection. The item number 1 is EU/US/UK/O plug German. Brand name GRL. Certification LFGB, EMC, SASO, EMF, GS, RoHS, CSA, ETL, CBO, Power, W, greater than 1501 watts. Blending our material plastic. Function mixing, milk tea and jam. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.